Hello everyone, welcome to this problem on GST, Goods and Services Tax. So in a receipt received by a restaurant, the subtotal amount which exclude, this is important, service charge and GST, the Goods and Services Tax, is $26.40. So for part A, if there is a 10% service charge, what is this service charge amount? So the service charge amount will be simply 10% of the total, and then this will be equals to $2.64. And for part B, GST rate is 8%. Find the GST amount. Do take note, the GST, Goods and Services Tax, includes the service charge. Okay, so to calculate GST, which is 8%, 8 over 100, do take note that I will have to add my service charge as well when I calculate the GST. And so this will give me a value of $2.32 and 32. Final answer, $2.32, which is to the nearest cent. Okay, 2dp. Now, last part. So find the total amount that is payable, and you have to round up to the nearest 5 cents. So for part C, right, the total amount would then be, to sum out everything, $26.40 service charge. And do notice that because this is part of the working, Mr. Tan don't use $2.32, rather $2.32.32. Okay, this is important for accuracy. And this will sum up to $31.3632. Final answer to the nearest 5 cents means that we are going to look at this value. Okay, so in this case here, 6 is closer to 35 as opposed to 40, and therefore I will round it down to 35. Okay, and that will be the nearest 5 cents. With that, we have come to the end of this problem. So if you like this video, do give it a thumbs up and remember to subscribe. Thank you for watching, and let's move on to the next question.